Okay, today I'm finally gonna install this phone holder and phone charger I bought off Amazon. So I'm gonna take this out of the box. So this is how it looks. You're gonna see how it looks on the bike. Okay, I think I got this. So this Allen wrench, it has a little hole inside on this side, and there's no hole on this side. And this has a little thing sticking out, so that's why it fits perfect. So I'm unscrewing this center screw that holds the holder to this arm. And now I'm gonna secure this on the handlebar. Let's figure this. Alright, this seems that it's gonna work. It feels tight, secure. Place my phone here. Looks good. Now just doing the final adjustments. It's tight here. Making it tight. Looks good. Okay, this is how it's gonna look on the bike. I need to loosen this screw to adjust. Try to place my phone, since I'm using my phone to videotape. I'm just gonna place it. It's not fitting yet. I'm placing the phone, facing it towards myself. Making it tight. Screws. Now, here you go. I'm gonna place it here. It feels like it's gonna stay here. Go anywhere. Let's see this charge now. I have the same brand battery maintainer, which already has this connector, and I already installed that, so the installation should be pretty easy. Just taking the seat off. What the heck? What is that? Why is that? Well, I guess there's another problem. This wire came off, so I need to fix that. So the positive wire is fine, just this negative wire just came off. I haven't used that maintainer. Let's see if this is gonna work. Well, looks like it's gonna work. I just need to secure that. All right, got my tools. This is the DeWalt set. Actually got it from Costco. Has most of the tools that it needs. Oops. So this little ring broke off and the wire came out. So I just need to put this wire back. Nope. Just gonna break off this plastic from this ring. So now I can see where I'm sticking this wire. Okay. Now let's see if this charger is gonna work. Connecting to my phone. I think I need to start the motorcycle. So basically my idea is to secure this connector a little far away from the heat source. Okay, this is what happened. I connected my phone charger, so I just decided to leave it here loose underneath the seat, so it's not going anywhere. And I connected. This is my temporary ugly solution. I just zip tied it to the top of the cap for this fuel tank. So I just tested the holder, works pretty good. It holds the phone, so I'm hoping to test it on the road, actually using a GPS. That's what I needed mainly, because I'm new to this town and don't want to get lost riding the bike. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. This was installation of my phone charger and phone holder on my 2018 Indian Scout Bobber.